This super realistic steam engine made out of chocolate is mind-blowing. We started by spreading some chocolate onto a surface, and we're gonna cut out stripes inside of it. Cut it in half, brush them, and apply them on this moon-shaped base. Apply some melted chocolate to stick out the rails. Keep stacking up all the bits of chocolate. Creating this bridge. We also added some texture for the wooden effect. Next, we made some little dots that we're going to cover in gold dust. Apply them with melted chocolate. And then we can start with our engine. Cut out all the pieces you need and apply them together as shown. Stick everything together using melted chocolate. It's all about stacking up all the pieces. Here's our wheels. Spread more chocolate, add texture onto it, roll it out, and we're gonna apply this at the front. This is already starting to look so realistic. Keep stacking up all the parts to add as many details as you can. We're then gonna spray paint it with some edible paint and make it black and silver. The details of this are breathtaking. Sprinkle some white on top of it for a snowy effect. Add more casted sugar everywhere. This is absolutely crazy realistic. So beautiful.